Today's story is about deportation and whether one house of Congress can reverse it. Jagdish Chadha came to the United States on a student visa. After his visa expired, he remained in the country and faced deportation. An immigration judge reviewed his case. The judge agreed that Chadha had overstayed his visa, but the judge also found that Chadha had strong ties to the United States. So the judge decided to suspend deportation and allow him to stay. Normally, that would end the matter. But at the time, Congress had created a special rule. It allowed just one House of Congress to overturn certain immigration decisions. The House of Representatives reviewed Chadha's case. They voted to reject the suspension of deportation. As a result, Chadha faced deportation again, even though the judge had allowed him to remain. Chadha challenged the process. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. He argued that one House of Congress should not be able to reverse a decision by itself. He said lawmaking requires both House of Congress and the President. So the question reached the Supreme Court. Can one House of Congress overturn an immigration decision without passing a new law? The Supreme Court said no. The court explained that the Constitution requires a specific process for making laws. Both the House and the Senate must pass the measure, and the President must sign it. Allowing just one House of Congress to act alone, the court said, bypasses that process. Because of that, the one-house veto was unconstitutional. The court ruled that Congress cannot overturn decisions this way. Chadha was allowed to remain under the judge's suspension. The decision had broader impact as well. It invalidated many similar one-house veto provisions across federal law. Because even when dealing with immigration, Congress must follow the full lawmaking process. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, follow along for more. See you on the next one.